Hi there, it's George here, and today I will have to try a new experiment on my plants with succinic acid. I found, well, in the city this. It's like a medicament, that's it. It's a growth stimulator and it's not a fertilizer, so just it reduces stress on the plants and not only it stimulates flowers. It stimulates blooms and nodules, but it's not a fertilizer. It consumes a lot of nutrients from soil. That's it. But I will have to try this experiment. One pill I have to add in water and mix it, and then I will have to spray the plants that I can see a little bit sick and will reduce stress. I will see if will help this or not. Just let's start. Now let's take one of these pills and do what I said. Well done, I did that. Now it's more easy to me. Well, I added water in this bottle. Mix very well. Let's do that. Now I will mix around 5 minutes like so. It seems like disappeared, but we will mix it anyway. Then I will have to add water and then we'll spray. Well, now it's time for add water more, and then I'm ready to spray with room temperature water, and let's do that. Now I'm gonna put the spray. Well, I'm ready to spray the plants and let's start. As you can see, this moss of bamboo have some yellow leaves. Now it have a little bit of stress because I moved inside and a lot of rains does not like to very much wet soil. Anyway, I will no water for a while, but I will spray with this growth stimulator and will grow nice new leaves and will be fresh. Let's do that. I will spray once in 2 weeks and then once in 1 month I will add fertilizer. The banana tree is very healthy, but anyway I will have to spray to stimulate growth. Now let's try on Musa velutina as well. As well, I have to spray the Monstera deliciosa plant because this leaf was started to grow but stopped. And, that's it. I made it water a lot, but I will spray another plants and I will see what plants. Well, I'm done. Thanks a lot. You'll have to wait 1 month and then I will come with an update on these plants after I sprayed. That's it. Subscribe until then. Happy holidays to you. Like and share. Bye bye. George was here.